Woo, hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be alive. We're going to be talking about what the heck happened yesterday. Huge recovery for Bitcoin, and we have seen that most of cryptocurrencies, including the Doge, are going green, guys. So we're going to be talking about that, what has caused that, and you guys are going to find this very interesting on what can we expect, guys. So don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. And do become a channel member. That would be much appreciated. Smash the likes, annihilate the likes, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in the house, express my opinion. So we see that yesterday that most of the broader markets tank out there. Looks like Elon Musk, looks like Elizabeth Warren calls for an investigation into Musk and Starlink after the Ukraine biography. So, Elizabeth Warren, she's always a pretty much a Debbie Downer. Looks like everything. Apple just announced that 2023 event, iPhone 15 models will have the new C cable, guys. So the C connector, so it looks like the lightning connector is out of there, guys. So interesting news. So what are we seeing? DXY is still going up overall, a little bit down, but the big news is look at the recovery. Look at the recovery here. We saw a nice big spike yesterday. We did see that Bitcoin went up almost 2.55%. And I did tell you in yesterday's video, if you guys go back and watch this, I recommend that you watch this out there. And we did absolutely talk about that. We can see that the Bitcoin has been trending down. It's been absolutely trending down, down. And you can see the whole trend down from the blue box here. And we did talk about that there's a death cross. And the death cross did come. And a lot of people assume that death cross means that Bitcoin is going to tank. We had some naysayers, the doom and gloomers, the bears were saying it's going down to 20K. But I did tell you that the death cross is a lagging indicator out there. And if we were seeing that if we did see that Bitcoin was going up in this direction, and then the death cross hit, then we would see a crash for Bitcoin. But because Bitcoin has been trending down and the death cross is a lagging indicator, what happened is at the death cross, we got a reversal. And I told you in the previous video that we would get a reversal, and I nailed it. We got a reversal, guys. So that is pretty good. We did hit the 26,600 level resistance, and right now we're trading at 25,967. So I think we can call that 26,000. So interesting out there. Good news. We're seeing that September has flipped green. Finally, some weenie. Now, a lot of people are assuming that September is going to be a bad month, but it's not too shabby. What do we got to look forward to? We got CPI data coming out on Wednesday, and I don't think it's going to be good. We got PPI on Thursday, retail sales, jobless claims, consumer sentiment, and New York Fed manufacturing index on Friday. So we got a busy week ahead. But the big one is CPI, and a lot of people are, the estimate from the Fed is 3.6. Okay. Previous is 3.2. So it looks like, JP Morgan is saying 3.6, but it looks like Citi, Barclays, HSBC, and USBS are saying 3.7. Guys, it's important to freaking note that if the CPI data comes in hot, and we get over 4%, it's going to be a disaster. It will be a freaking disaster. The NASDAQ, the broader markets will tank. Crypto will tank, Dogecoin will tank. It's going to be bad. So, guys, buckle up for that. Let's absolutely hope that it comes in as expected. As I said, the whole broader markets are down like crazy out there. The other thing that's got me scared is that we're seeing that crude oil is going up. That is not good, because as we see crude oil going up, what's going to happen is CPI is going up. So you can see here, if you take a look at the contributions to CPI, it's core services, core goods, food, energy, and CPI. So you can see here in August, we can see that core services, but the biggest increase is energy. So if energy continues to increase, that's going to push CPI higher, and we could be seeing 4%, guys. And that is why if we get higher inflation, then that's going to put interest rates on the table again, and we could be seeing 25 basis points. So it looks like right now 40% are saying that we could see a 25 basis hike out there. That's not good. But for September, next week on the 20th, we do have most people saying there's not going to be rate hikes. Now, if by some slim chance there is a rate hike from the prowler, in the house, then that's going to tank the markets. Crypto's going to go down. It's going to be a real SHIT show out there. So it looks like the back of the 15 looks like, look, there's that C plus connector. So we got the iPhone 15. It's coming out. It came out, and it's looking pretty beautiful out there. But guys, to all the iPhone users, if you've got 14 and below, you're going to have to start buying new cables. Start buying new cables if you've got the new 15. Kind of not a good look, right? Because, Lightning cable, legacy, it means I'm going to have to go out and buy new cables once I switch up to my phone, right? New phone. It is what it is. I mean, from my personal perspective, when it comes to Apple and their phones, I think having a new phone every year is tiring. And I think it shouldn't be yearly. I think it should be every 2 years, even 3 years, because it just seems to be a big suck on the wallet. All right. Okay. I'm not upgrading. Sorry. I'm staying with my iPhone 14 Pro. Yeah. Maybe 2 years later, 3 years later. Ethereum, what's going on with Ethereum? Same pattern. Ethereum had a nice, robust reversal. That's because of Bitcoin. That is pretty good. If we take a look at the ribbons right now, we're still below the ribbons. For Ethereum, we need Ethereum to get above the ribbons, and that will absolutely show that we are moving up, guys. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is up. We're seeing that everything is pretty much up out there. So that is pretty cool beans out there. We're seeing everything is up. Doge is up. Beautiful, beautiful green. Green machine in the house, guys. Get the face back. Overall, we are seeing right now, connection. We're seeing that the total crypto market is now 1.03 trillion. Good news. Up 2.31%. Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum dominance, pretty much unchanged. But overall, it's a pretty good day. Almost 3%, 2.5% for Ethereum. BNB 2.45. XRP. A little bit disappointed. Expect a little bit more. We're seeing that Cardano has flipped Dogecoin again, and we're seeing that the total market cap for Cardano is 8.652 billion versus Dogecoin of 8.625. So these two are neck and neck, fighting it out. Doge is only up 0.6%. So disappointing, but we're seeing a nice recovery for the top cryptocurrencies, with the exception of Doge. So let's take a look at the fear and greed right now. Fear and greed. Yesterday when we had that dump yesterday, it was really bad. We recovered a little bit at 42. Remember, contrarian indicator. So Bitcoin price bounces back to 26,000. Why? Why did Bitcoin bounce back? Very simple. Bitcoin was oversold, ladies and gentlemen. That was it. Basically, it was oversold. It was absolutely oversold. That's what's going on. There's a little bit of a short squeeze also went on as well. You can see here, there's definitely a short squeeze going on, and you can see here a nice short squeeze, 70%, 70.42 short squeeze. So we can see that a lot of shorts did get liquidated out there. So that has helped to push the price uppity up. Remember, today is reversal day out there, so watch out. The witching day, we could see a reversal to the downside, guys. So overall, what are people leverage trading? Bitcoin, Ethereum, this and that. It is what it is. Not too shabby out there. What else is happening? Looks like Binance USA is in trouble. Again, looks like Binance US cuts staff, president departs, and sources. This is all, has to do with a lot of the fuddy-fud, a lot of the fear that's going on surrounding Binance. I'm not too worried about Binance International, but if you got Binance USA, remember, guys, be careful and get yourselves a hardware wallet, guys. I can't stress how much. Get a hardware wallet. If you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it the freak off there and go down there. Check out my link. I appreciate it, guys. What else is coming in? Looks like, and this is from Trader Tardigrade. Things are looking pretty good. Bitcoin bottom was in 2022. We know that. The majority out there really think that the bottom for BTC is not in yet. Wake up. Break the blue dotted line and watch things fly. So once we get past the blue dotted line here, we're going to see things fly. So we're about to pop back above this resistance here, and we're going to pop, guys. So far we've more or less just moving sideways in a 6K range. I'm using time to accumulate here. Yeah, I'm gonna accumulate. Actually, today I'm gonna pick up some more Bitcoin. I got an itch. I got an itch in my pocket. An itch. And remember, it is my DCA day, so I'm gonna be buying more Bitcoin. Looks like same thing. Bitcoin's still looking pretty good. We are here right now, and looks like nope, it is an RSI on Bitcoin. This is the MVRZ view on the monthly frame. Doing this way gives incredible accuracy compared to its normal counterpart. What can you learn from this? Well, guys, very simple. You can learn this. One, the bottom is with a precise touch of the ascending trend line. You can see it here. And a retest of the lows is incredibly unlikely, with MVR being out of the bottom range and near the support zone of 2020 black swan. So that was the COVID, right? So we're definitely above that range. It's our next support. When you see these metrics like this, you just have to think, why are you worried about currency prices? Don't be worried, guys. The fundamentals are looking pretty solid for Bitcoin, and we're going to be reversing to the upside. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin. What's going on with Doge? Doge right now is still, I'm quite surprised that Dogecoin is down, considering it had a nice bump in Bitcoin price. We're still seeing that the 0.6 cent level is being supported. That is good news out there. We're still well below the EMA ribbons. We definitely need to see some momentum. I think any kind of announcement from Elon Musk will definitely help with that. So far, but 40% of you are in the money, 58% are out. Not too shabby out there. In terms of ranking sentiment, we're seeing that Doge is way down here on 18. So that's sad. That is sad. Social sentiment down on the weekly. Social sentiment also down on the daily. So looks like people are not loving the Doge, and we're seeing right now that Doge is down where it should be compared to the Bitcoin pump and Bitcoin boost out there. So Doge is at 0.6114. We're seeing the market cap is also slightly below 80 as we talked about, and we're seeing that the volumes are light out there, guys. So Dogecoin price predictions: Doge to the moon now, breakout incoming. Yeah, like I said, Dogecoin price shows that Doge crypto has gone up a little bit, 0.6%. Doge crypto is trading around about at the 20 EMA. It needs to reach the 50 and 200 daily support moving averages to show any kind of real movement here. So you can see here, we're still well above the ribbons on the daily. On the hourly, it's looking much better, but on the daily, it's definitely well below the ribbon. So if we look at the hourly here, let me fix up my chart. You can see here that Dogecoin on the hourly just had a dump, guys. Just had a gnarly dump out there, and it's not looking good, guys. Almost a 0.5% dump out there on the hourly. So is there hope? Well, we need to see Dogecoin get above the ribbons on the hourly. If we look at the 4-hour chart for Dogecoin as well, we can still see that Dogecoin is also below all the ribbons as well. So for us to make any momentum, any movement to the upside, we definitely need, and this is kind of like a spinning top. Basically, the market doesn't know if Doge is going up or down, guys. So will Dogecoin hit $1? Yes, it will eventually. That's my take on it. I could be wrong. Don't beat me up, but I definitely believe that after the next halving, we could be seeing Dogecoin moving up to the upside, guys. So it's pretty cool. I'm still holding the Doge, still loving the Doge, and I love it. You should love it too, guys and gals out there. What else is coming in? Let's take a look at the Doge Woja right now. The Shiba Inu right now is at 0.722. It's actually doing a little bit better than Doge right now, but it's still well above the EMA ribbons. But the big darling is we've had Dogecoin is still doing okay, still holding the 0.6 cent level. And the big news, the big winner out there is Bitcoin. Basically the death cross lagging indicator. When Bitcoin is going down, when you see a death cross, this often stimulates a pump. And we got the pump. So guys, that's going to bring this video to a close. Do not forget to follow me on Twitter. Let's get this up to 10,000. I'd love to see 10,000 followers. Guys, don't forget to check out the merch, guys. I got links in the video. Buy the channel a coffee. Support the channel. Be blessed. Be well. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.